Okay, most welcome my viewers, people who watch my program, and those people who love Ivansofts as a person and the company at large. Actually, I've never told you that I'm dreaming to have a school, a training center. Actually, I want to call it a training center. But one of the names that I chose to give all my entities is calling them Ivansofts and electronics because those are the two fields where I'm dealing. I deal in electronics and I deal in software, ICT at large. So if you're there, you want to be trained to use computers, software engineering, software management, different softwares and what they do, cybersecurity, digital marketing. Today, I've come to discuss with you some of the stuff that I do to earn a living and to make me valuable and that adds value to me. I'm a man who is multi-talented. When it comes to the field of hardware, I make it like never before. Many of my followers think I'm best in hardware only. Then those who knows me in the field of software, they are like, man, you kill it. Yeah, I do. I also believe I'm proud of what I do because it's the only way it can be supported and make it perfect. So it took me a chance one day to use it and show all that were surrounding me what I can do. So it's my advice to you. As I tell you what I do and you know the skills that I have, I urge you to make people know what you can do, just like I do it. So there is something that I'm cooking for you. There is a program soon that will be airing live on my handles and many other handles that is called Creative World, where we are going to open creativity. Yes. So we are talking about creativity. We are going to break it down. I'm bringing you skilled people in the industry of production, in the industry of art, in the industry of acting, in the industry of film making, in the industry of music, audio recording, video editing, video production. We are going to understand what they call post production, pre production, what they call music directing, video directing, film directing. What does it take for you to create content and script it down? So, from this types of being written somewhere to the step of being acted so that you may see them. It's what I'm cooking for you, just like I always promise you, that I'm bringing you good things. And I promised, and I'll make sure I make it, because I always want to give you something that is best. And it's what I'm working on. As Ivansofts and Electronics, as a brand, I'm bringing you something that is powerful. Nowadays, I'm working with a big company. I didn't tell you. I work with Destin Productions. It's a production house. Support us. Follow us online. Destin Productions UG at Destin Productions. Go on X. Follow us as Destin Pro 256. Find us on YouTube as Destin Productions UG. Follow us on LinkedIn, Destin Productions. Follow us on Facebook, Destin Productions UG. Email us, destinproductionsug at gmail.com. Go follow. Google Map, just put in Destin Productions. They will bring you two accounts, Destin Productions Kampala, Destin Productions UK. Look at those links. Those links will direct you to the offices of Destin Productions, which are found in Kurambilo Central Ring Road, just opposite Malcolm Healthcare. One of the other geographical features that you can meet around is Sanctuary Supermarket. So after Sanctuary Supermarket, there is a washing bay. So opposite is our gate. When you look at Google Map, they'll show you a gate that will meet exactly where you will go as the destination. And it's where Destin Production is found. And we do a lot of stuff. Since it is a production house, we do music production, audio production, video production. We have a PA system that can cover over 1,000 people. We have good cameras, 6K cameras, 4K cameras. We've got best sound with best sound technicians to run it for you, best producers that are on the brand now, that are on the block to make it for you. Come meet editors that you have never seen. Come look at the production team that you have never met. Just find it at Destin Productions.